In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the child lock feature on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. It's very easy and it's only going to take us about 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and get started. The only thing you're going to need for this is your car keys. If you have a key fob instead, press the button on the fob there and get that physical key out, because we're going to need to use it. Let me open up the rear left door and see how this works. Once you open up the door, you see that orange slot there. That's the one. So that's where we have to put the key in there and just twist it right like that. And that's it. The child lock is now engaged. Let's go inside the car and try it out. See, no matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside anymore. Let's go ahead and disengage the child lock now. Just put the key back in there, twist it left like I do. And let's go inside the car now and try it out. See, now I'm able to open the door from inside as well. Let's do it for the right side door now. Same thing, that's where the orange slot is, right where my finger is. However, for the right side door, you have to twist it left to engage the child lock feature. Inside the car again, I cannot open the door from inside. Now let's go ahead and disengage the child lock feature. Twist it right. And see, now I should be able to open the door from inside. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully you found it helpful.